Right, here is one of my favorite little tips. I'm trying to match the color of this part of the armor with the color of this part of the armor, so I can replace his hair here on his shoulder and not have to paint the entire thing. So I have copied this, and I've copied this section of the armor, Untitled 1, and Untitled 2 is the other one. And we're going to do what is called a color match. So I'm going to go to Entitled 1, and I'm going to Image Adjust Match Color. Because I could adjust and adjust and adjust the color, and Photoshop will do it for me in a much more complete way. So on my source down here, I'm going to go to Entitled 2, because that's the one, Layer 1, and I think Layer 1 is correct. And go back to Entitled 1 where I am. And you see now that all of those reds and everything in my piece are a lot closer to the original, that it was just gray. We can then play with the color intensity, or we can fade it in, or we can play with luminescence until we get a closer copy of it. Neutralize. And here it has, you can use the selection, you can use the selection in the target. I just am trying to make that much closer to the piece that I want it to be in. So, between the two, this is still a little red and a little bit more coppery than what I've got here. I can adjust the color a little bit with color balance and try to see if I can make it a little bit more red and more magenta. That was just a tiny bit of a move, and there we go. That it now looks much closer to the original by doing that. All right, have fun. If you ever need that, that's one of my handy dandy color tips to make things in a composite look like they belong.